Si Paring G or Gerald Layog ang isa rin sa mga kinagigiliwang timepieces content creator ngayon sa TikTok aside kay Paring Hybe. And here are the things that you might wanna know about Paring G. Siya lang naman ang classmate, best friend, and business partner ni Paring Hybe since way back. As a matter of fact, college pa lang sila sa FEU noon ay magkasundo na ang dalawa in their flipping business. They have this mindset na yung expenses mo, bawiin mo. Rumakit ka para may puhunan ka to capitalize in long-term business. In one of the interviews with Paring G, whenever napupunta raw siya ng ibang bansa, he made sure na mababawi niya yung pamasahe niya sa mga racket na gagawin niya doon. And with profit pa. Later on, naging partners nga sila ni Paring Hybe sa LA Gadget Hub, wherein they also make video contents. Some people who have watched their videos didn't know na sila mismo yung owner ng business. But they are. And ngayon nga ay he is also one of the owners of Gen 3 Timepieces. Together